flicker in my mind. Laughter echoes down the old dirt lane. I can see the Ferris wheel turn, spinning high in the summer sky. Cotton candy hands, carousel rides, and you laughing by my side. The scent of popcorn in the warm night air, and shadows of friends who aren't there. Oh, the ghosts of the county fair, they whisper soft and low. The ride's long gone, but the memories glow. Every cheer, every game we played still haunts my heart. In the warm evening shade, the prize ribbons faded, the booths boarded up tight, but I remember the music and the fireflies at night. The carousel horse where you first held my hand, a small town fair, a young heart's land. Time moves on, the fairgrounds sleep, but the echoes linger, secrets they keep. Walk past the empty lot, and I swear I hear your laughter on the summer air. Oh, the ghosts of the county fair, they whisper soft and low. The ride's long gone, but the memories glow. Every cheer, every game we played still haunts my heart. In the warm evening shade. And I tip my hat to the past, where the humming low as daylight fades, her voice walks me home. Every word a candle flame, I was never alone. Porch still creaks the same old tune, rocking chair remembers you. Evening bugs and purple skies feel too quiet without your eyes. Grandma's song at dusk taught me how to trust in the dark and the dust. Love don't ever rush. Apron tied with tired hands, flower on her dress. She'd sing soft about promised land and forgiveness. Didn't know I was learning goodbye while learning why. Grandma's song at dusk, when the world felt rough, all the fear, all the fuss, fell asleep in her trust. If heaven's got a quiet hour, I know what it sounds like. Same old tune, same gentle power, singing me through the night. Grandma's song at dusk still hums when nights get tough. Even now, even us are held by that love. Sun goes down, song stays true, still rocking me back to you. Dusty rose and a faded sun, where laughter lingered and days were young. I drive these back roads slow tonight. The fields all golden in the fading light. Old barns and fences, memories they hold, stories of a life we once called gold. Back roads to yesterday, I ride again, through the echoes of laughter and old friends. Every mile takes me where I long to stay, on the back roads to yesterday. The creek still whispers under the bridge, and the swing by the oak hasn't moved an inch. I hear the songs we used to play, and see the faces that never stayed. Sunset feels like a friend, guiding me gently to the places I've been. Through the dust and the time that slips away, I chase the back roads, I can't let them stray. Back roads to yesterday, I ride again, through the echoes of laughter and old friends. Every mile takes me where I long to stay, on the back roads to yesterday. Rattling seats and dusty roads, laughter loud, nobody old. That yellow sound still follows me, echoes of the old school bus. Drive my kids past that same bend. Same tall trees but thinner friends. They wave goodbye with sleepy eyes, and I swear I hear my younger self inside. Echoes of the old school bus carry dreams and trouble dust. Every mile we learn to trust who we were before we rushed. Backpack, heavy pockets like bubble gum and paper fights for crushed notes on folded lines. Last stop meant we still had time. Didn't know those noisy days were the quiet ones I'd crave. Echoes of the old school bus, every joke, every fuss, now they live inside my head long after those roads are dead. If I could ride it one more mile, I'd sit back, shut my mouth and smile. Let the future wait its turn. Let those lessons take their time. Still teach me here and now how to laugh and slow it down. Engine hums then fades away, but those echoes always stay. Photo faded in the sun, corners bent, but love's not done. Smile still frozen, young and true. Time moved on, but not me and you. Found it tucked in a coffee can, shoebox letters, rubber band. Your hair was wild, mine too neat. Summer dust around our feet. Funny how a picture knows every place my heart still goes. Mama's porch, that old wine rail, Daddy laughing, telling tales. We didn't pose, just stood around, caught midlife, no perfect sound. A photo faded in the sun, held together, coming undone. Every line that time has drawn still leaves your face when the light is gone. If I could step inside that frame, I'd stay right there, avoid the change. Let the years just pass me by like dust across a summer sky. Now it's taped to my dashboard light, riding shotgun every night. When the road feels cold and long, it reminds me where I'm from. A photo faded in the sun, lost its color, not the love. Some things break, some things stay, even when the world turns gray. Yeah, time may run, but that picture stays. Dust kicks up with every throw, sun hangs high, we let it go. No lines drawn, but we all knew ball games in the empty lot. Parking lines and painted signs took the place of goalposts wide. I slow down where we used to run, hear the echoes, everyone. Funny how an open space holds a face. Ball games in the empty lot, played till daylight quit. Winners change, but not the rules. We never counted it. Rusty fences, borrowed gloves, made up teams and trash talk love. We'd argue calls and let them slide, just to keep the game alive. Ball games in the empty lot, scraped up knees and pride, taught us how to lose and laugh and let it ride. If I ever missed the sound of nothing planned or owned, I remember how that empty lot made us feel at home. Games in the empty lot, they ain't gone, they just grew. They just keep the game alive. Ball games in the empty lot, played till daylight quit. Winners change, but not the rules. We never counted it. Rusty fences, borrowed gloves, made up teams and trash talk love. Ball games in the empty lot, scraped up knees and pride, taught us how to lose and laugh and let it ride. If I ever missed the sound of nothing planned or owned, I remember how that empty lot made us feel at home. into every risk I ever took and saw it through. Those ball games in the empty lot ain't gone, they just grew, getting echoes. 10-blade side in open air, sky spins wide, no one there. Every turn knows what it brings, echoes in the windmill blades, echoes in the windmill blades, call my name and then fade. Every sound's a memory, learning how to stay. Fence leans low, well runs dry, same old wind, a different sky. I stand still, let the day turn me slow that way. Funny how the moving there keeps what's there. House would shake, no wood hum, summer heat, the work half done. The creek above the water in tin kept us company, echoes in the windmill blade. Never spoke too loud, just enough to let us know we weren't alone out there. If I ever fear the quiet or doubt the open land, I remember how that turning sound took me by the hand. Those echoes in the windmill blades ain't stuck in yesterday. They turn with me, reminding me to move, but stay. Wind slows down, blades still spin, echoes stay. Jarring light by the river bend, summer nights never end. We caught the dark with open hands, back when life was just a plan. Fireflies of long ago lit up paths we didn't know. Every wish we let them go still glows inside my soul. Now the nights are quiet still, porch light hums on broken dreams. Kids don't chase the dark no more, maybe that's just me. Barefoot running through the yard, mama yelling, don't go far. Laughing till the moon got tired, we were young and wired with fire. Didn't know those sparks would fade, come back this way. Fireflies long ago taught us how to shine, then go. Little lights in mason jars made us feel like shooting stars. If I could catch one more tonight, I wish for less regret. Let it glow, then set it free, like everything I never cared. Fireflies from long ago still know places I don't show. When the world feels cold and slow, they remind me who I was. One by one they dim the sky, but never say goodbye. Wind whispers through the old backyard, quilt flutters in the morning sun. Grandma's quilt on the line, patch by patch, stitch by stitch, colors faded, edges worn, yet every square still tells a story rich. I remember her humming softly, rocking chair creaking slow, while the morning light danced over seams and the autumn leaves would blow. Oh, that quilt on the line, holding memories tight, every square little piece of love in the soft morning light. Time moves on, but I still see Grandma's hands working endlessly. Running through the yard with bare feet, chasing shadows in the sun. We'd hide beneath the quilt's folds, laughing, pretending we'd won. The smell of cotton and warmth of home etched deep in my mind. Moments like these in the quiet wind are treasures hard to find. The quilt may fray, the colors fade, but her love remains in every thread she made. Hanging now for the world to see, a symbol of home and who I'll always be. Oh, that quilt on the line, holding memories tight, every square little piece of love in the soft morning light. Time moves on, but I still see Grandma's hands working endlessly. Every square little piece of love in the soft morning light. Time moves on, but I still Grandma's hands working endlessly. Even in the wind, her love lingers, stitched into every fold. Even in the wind, her love lingers, stitched into every fold. Crickets hum in a tired key. Hay dust floats where the shadows lean. Night slows down, holds his breath before the stories all get said. Lantern light on the barn wall flickers big, then fades to small. Every sway, every fall shows me where I came from. I stand here longer than I planned. Same old boards, different hands. Runs fast beyond this gate, but this glow still knows my name. Funny how a simple flame can make the night feel safe. Grandpa's laugh, a coffee cup, by the door, sleeves rolled up, counting stars, lying back, learning quiet in the dark. Lantern light on the barn wall keeps a ghost from feeling cold. Every truth I couldn't say still hangs here in the glow. When the wind starts talking low and doubt comes creeping in, I borrow that old steady flame to find myself again. That lantern light on the barn wall don't burn bright but burns long. Teaches me the dark ain't wrong when you know where you belong. Wick burns down, night moves on, but the light stays strong. Needle sings and lamplight low, Scraps of years laid row by row. Every tear, every smile, folded in to last a while. A quilt stitched with memories, pulled up to my chin. Every patch a chapter I'm living in. It's thinner now along the seam, colors soft like old-time dreams. Still it keeps the cold away in that faithful, quiet way. Funny how the worn-out threads hold the strongest ends. Sunday dresses, workday jeans, baby blankets, teenage schemes. She'd hum low while stitching tight, teaching love by candlelight. A quilt stitched with memories, never once complained. Took the weight of every year and stayed the same. If I ever feel the chill or wonder where I've been, I wrap myself in yesterday and start again. Stitched with memories, ain't cloth, it's time, sewn together by the hands that shaped my life. The light goes dim, seams still gleam, warmth remembers me. Humming low as daylight fades, her voice walks me home. Every word a candle flame. I was never alone. Porch still creaks the same old tune. Rocking chair remembers you. Evening bugs in purple skies feel too quiet without your eyes. Grandma's song at dusk taught me how to trust. In the dark, in the dust, love don't ever rust. Apron tied with tattered hands, floor on her dress. She'd sing soft about promised land and forgiveness. Didn't know I was learning goodbye while learning why. Grandma's song at dusk when the world fell rough. All the fear, all the fuss fell asleep in her trust. Same old tune, same gentle power, singing me through the night. Oh, Grandma's song at dusk still hums when nights get tough. Even now, even us are held by that love. Sun goes down, song stays true, still rocking me back to you. White dust floating in the light. Love don't measure, love just knows. That room feels smaller than before. Same old stove, same creaking floor. But when I breathe, I'm a once more. Somehow some prayers never spoke out loud. They're made with hands. Grandma's hands in the flour, turning minutes into hours. Every meal a kind of power that fed us. Vibrant strings and Sunday hums. Windows open, morning comes. She'd smile soft, say help yourself, and mean it. Those grandma's hands in the flour held the house through every storm. Build a world warm and sure around us. If heaven smells like anything, it's bread and time and remembering. Love passed down in simple things like this. Song. Grandma's hands in the flour still guide me when I'm unsure, teaching me what matters more than words. Table cleared, the light grows dim. Her love stays on my skin. Dusty sunbeam through the old barn door. Grandpa's hat on a hook, worn and torn. I remember sitting on the porch swing slow, hearing his stories in that gentle flow. Old hands resting on the brim of his hat, telling me tales of how life was back. Grandpa's old hat, sitting where he left it, smells like the field, the earth and the spirit. Every crease, every fold tells a story so true. Grandpa's old hat takes me back to you. The creek still whispers where we used to play. His laugh echoes softly in the end of day. That hat's a shadow of his steady hand. A piece of him still walks across this land. Time moves on, the barn gets old, but that worn hat keeps his warmth untold. I tip it back, remember all he gave. Grandpa's wisdom, his love, the life he paid. Grandpa's old hat, sitting where he left it, smells like the field, the earth and the spirit. Every crease, every fold tells a story so true. Grandpa's old hat takes me back to you. Grandpa's old hat, sitting where he left it, smells like the field, the earth and the spirit. Every crease, every fold tells a story so true. Grandpa's old hat takes me back to you.
Yellowed smile, corn is bent, light caught still in 79, slid between a prayer and amen. A Polaroid, Sunday sun through stained glass blue. I don't kneel the way I used to, but I open up that book again, and there you are. Funny how the holiest things don't say a thing. A Polaroid in the Bible pages, smiling back, prove that love once lived right here in between the cracks. Church steps after morning rain, lace dress, daddy's hand. Someone said, hold still a sec, and froze that day. A Polaroid in the Bible pages, time can't fade, it keeps the faith in ordinary days safe. If I ever lose my way or doubt what's true, I find that picture tucked away, and I remember you. the light turns low. Picture stays wherever I go. Wind through glass that's long been gone. Main Street sings a hollow song. Footsteps echo where we stay, in a town the world forgot to save. Ghost town memories still call my name. Empty stores and open skies, don't forget the blame. I park my truck by the old cafe. Sign still reads open someday. Pain peels truth I couldn't see when we thought we'd never leave. Funny how silence screams louder than dreams. Friday nights, one red light, radios and cheap cologne. We swore we'd die in this small town before we ever died alone. Ghost town memories fill these streets with sound. Every laugh, every fight still walks me around. Walls could talk, they'd tell us why we left in pieces, not goodbye. Some hearts stay even when we roam, making ghosts of what was home. Ghost town memories ain't dead, just free, living quiet in my chest, like they're waiting on me. No lights on, but I still see everything we used to be. Cobweb corners, cedar smell, rusted latch that knows me well. Light slips through in broken lines, like these words out of time. Forgotten letters in the shed, never meant to disappear, just waiting on a braver day to finally be heard. Read them slow, then read again. Ink still dark, but hearts grew thin. Names I was but never said, in the life I almost led. Funny how the truth can hide in plain sight all this time. Too heavy to let go, folded tight and set aside, promises I never tried. Forgotten letters in the shed, carried all I couldn't say. Every line I left unread still found its way. If I'd sent just one of them, would the road have been? Or are some truths meant to wait until they're memories instead? Though forgotten letters in the shed ain't regrets, just proof I loved deeper than I lived, and that was true. Door shut slow, dust is red, letters rest again. Dirt on knees, pockets full, nails bent, dreams still new. Morning sun on borrowed clothes, childhood dreams in overalls. Childhood dreams in overalls, too big, too small. Wore 'em proud, wore 'em thin, didn't know we had it all. Closet holds a different size, mirror shows some borrowed time. Still feel that loose thread pulling me back then. Funny how the things we wore still fit the soul. Chasing clouds behind the shed, naming stars above the fence. Thought the world was just this farm, safe inside my daddy's arms. Childhood dreams and overalls, sunburned and tall. Every hope had open seams, ready for it all. If I could button up again that fearless skin, I'd walk out just like I did, with nothing but a grin. still call my name, reminding me the truest plans don't ever change. If I could button up again that fearless skin, I'd walk out just like I did, with nothing but a grin. Those childhood dreams and overalls still call my name, reminding me the truest plans don't ever change. Folded now but not gone, dreams still wear 'em all along. Dirt on these pockets full, nails bent, dreams still new. Morning sun on borrowed clothes, childhood dreams and overalls. Childhood dreams and overalls, too big, too small. Wore 'em proud, wore 'em thin, didn't know we had it all. Closet holds a different size, mirror shows some borrowed time. I still feel that loose thread pulling me back then. Funny how the things we wore still fit the soul. Chasing clouds behind the shed, naming stars above the fence. Thought the world was just this far, safe inside my daddy's arms. Childhood dreams and overalls, sunburned tall. Every hope had open seams, ready for it all. If I could button up again that fearless skin, I'd walk out just like I did, with nothing but a grin. Those childhood dreams and overalls still call my name, reminding me the truest plans don't ever change. Folded now but not gone, dreams still wear 'em all along. dusty paws on splintered wood. Quiet dreams where hay once stood. Barn cats and childhood dreams, lazy days and wide-eyed schemes. Everything was what it seemed back then. The barn leans left, the paint's worn thin. Cats are gone, but I walk in. Still feel small beneath that tin roof. Funny how a quiet place can still remember your face. Chasing tails in afternoon, naming stars, inventing moons. Thought the world would come real soon for us. Those barn cats and childhood dreams taught my heart to wander free. Life was just a possibility back then. Wanted roads, I wanted more. Never thought I'd miss that floor. Cold dirt, warm hope, open door. Somehow one soft purr, one deep wish. Barn cats and childhood dreams still curl up inside of me, reminding who I used to be when sun dips low on rusted beams. I smile and let it be.